Welcome back to Beautyistic, where taking care of yourself goes beyond skin deep. If you've ever struggled with sensitive gums or found standard flossing a bit harsh, today's focus might be exactly what you need. Before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon so you won't miss any of our honest expert reviews. We're looking at the Waterpik Low Pressure Jet Tip JT360E, designed specifically for the Waterpik Cordless Water Flosser WP360. Each pack comes with 2 color-coded replacement tips, which makes it easy for multiple users in a household to keep their own hygiene separate. These tips are engineered for gentle water flossing, perfect for those who have sensitive gums or prefer a softer touch when maintaining oral health. When I tested these tips with my Waterpik WP360, I found them very straightforward to use. Attaching the tip is effortless, and the color coding is a small detail that actually makes a big difference if more than one person is using the device. The water flow is noticeably gentler than standard tips, which makes it ideal for anyone with tender gums, braces, or recent dental work. I ran it through both morning and evening routines, and it performed consistently without any splashing or loss of pressure. On the plus side, these tips are incredibly easy to clean, last the recommended 6 months, and really make flossing less intimidating for sensitive mouths. On the downside, if you're looking for a more robust, high-pressure clean, this low-pressure option might feel too gentle. Considering value for money, these tips are reasonably priced for genuine Waterpik replacements. Investing in authentic tips ensures compatibility and effectiveness, which is crucial when it comes to oral health. Compared to third-party options, you're getting consistent performance and the reassurance that comes with Waterpik's quality standards. The build quality is solid, and the color-coded design adds a practical touch to everyday use. Durability is good, and as long as you follow the replacement schedule, they maintain their gentle performance throughout their lifespan. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Waterpik also has a strong reputation for customer support, and their Colorado-based team is readily available if you have any questions or issues with your tips. This adds another layer of confidence when purchasing. For those looking for alternatives, there are other Waterpik replacement tips designed for sensitive areas, but the JT360E's low-pressure feature makes it uniquely suited for gentle daily use without compromising effectiveness. In summary, the Waterpik low-pressure jet tip JT360E is ideal for anyone with sensitive gums or those easing into water flossing. It's easy to use, durable, and designed with thoughtful touches like color coding for multi-user households. While it won't deliver a high-pressure clean for heavy buildup, it excels at providing a gentle, effective flossing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and if you've used these tips before, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Remember, the link to purchase is in the comments or description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.